And this is very important. Remember, we said the first thing is about mindset. Before you ever buy a stock, you need to understand that when we trade, when we try and make the stock market make us money, when we go in there to buy stocks, our job is to put our money in harm's way because we believe there's a good chance. That's the key word there. It's a word that so many people ignore. We believe that there's a good chance it's going to move in the direction that we believe. But what is that also saying? That's also saying that there's a possibility it might not. So right out of the gate, the very first thing that you need to internalize, the very first thing that you need to believe before you hit that buy button and decide to buy stocks, you need to believe that probability means there's a good chance it could move in your favor, but there's also a chance it might not. So think about this. Before you ever buy stock, you need to be looking and planning for both sides of the trade. If it moves in my favor and pauses, do I add to that position? If it moves in my favor and pauses, do I get out of that position? That's a part of reading the market. If I put that trade on and moves against me, which is a possibility, what do I plan to do then? That's what it means to have probability. So everything that you ever could possibly learn about trading stocks, buying stocks, and having the stock market make you money, the first thing you need to internalize is everything we do is based on probabilities. That means something is probably going to happen, but you need to know what you definitely plan to do. So probably happen, definitely do. That's a big part of trading. Now we're going to head on over to the second part. Okay. So part number 2 is defining winning. Now this changes for everybody.